Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add 200 EMA on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software, then click on this icon right here, indicators. Okay. Then on available, scroll down until you see EMA, this one, exponential. Okay. So click on it 2 times. And as you can see here, we have period. Change the 14 to 200, and you can change the color if you want. So let's say this one, and also you can change the width of the line. So let's say 3, just for example, and click on apply. And as you can see, this is the 200 MA. If you are not happy with the width or the color, just change it from here. Okay, as you can see, the color has been changed and the width also will change. Okay, then click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.